Winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, southern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, southern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 8:30 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Indiantown to Marianna, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Conway, Red Hill, Socastee, Horry, Johnsonville, Hickory Grove, Homewood, Buckville, PD Crossroads, Poston, Britton's Neck, Nixonville, Bucksport, Dongalet, Gresham, Coastal Carolina University, Kingsburg, Hammond, and Hand. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for northern Georgetown and northern Williamsburg counties.